you bring the bill and blame the opposition for the angry reaction. The issue of work bill has been burning in the country for a long time. Last year, when this issue was raised, a core committee was formed, JCP. Now, this year debates took place in the House till late night. Works was done, and then the government approved the work bill. It was said to be in the interest of Muslim and needy, but instead of handling the anger arising from this law, the Bharatiya Janata Party is trying to blame the opposition for it. Yes, it is right that in the country, the India Alliance talks about the interest of Muslims going against the Bharatiya Janata Party. Sometimes they oppose the government, sometimes for political gain and sometimes for the rights of Dutch parties due to the consent of Modi's assistant ally Nitish Kumar, who used to have a similar image. 20 to 25 leaders from his party resigned to his bill. Chirag's party also resigned. This is probably the first time in the history of JDU that so many leaders have resigned from the party. The anger of Muslims can be understood from this. Muslim leader on Lalan Singh gives a statement that everyone got naked in the house. Anger can be seen. In this statement, there is a mention of challenging in the Supreme Court. All these reactions are due to the government's steps which has become a law. The way the government worked very hard to make the law and convinced all its allies in the same way. They should take concrete steps on the reaction of the Muslims of the country or even make a concrete statements for them. But now BJP leaders are blaming Mamata Banerjee for that reaction. This is good. You bring the bill and blame the opposition for the anger arising in the particular community. Waqf has the third largest property in the country. Waqf of India has the largest property in the world. The property that Waqf has not done any good to the needy of India. It remains to be seen how much good the government does to the needy. Violence is happening in Bengal over the Waqf board. On this, BJP leader Giriraj Singh said that the incident in Bengal is condemnable and how to prove it. The incident that is happening in Bengal is being done by the government. Mamata Banerjee wants Muslims to create so much terror that Hindu feels scared and do so. Mamata Banerjee is engaged in destroying and running Hindus. Mamata Banerjee wants to make Bengal Bangladesh. She is walking on this path. Mamata Banerjee has clearly said that you people are hurt in your heart by the BJP party, but nothing like this will happen in Bengal. She has told that she will provide full security to them and their property in the state, and as you said that some people will provoke you and you ask you to protest, but you should not do so. In Bihar, Nitish Kumar and Chirag Paswan also said that the property of Muslims will be safe and will work in their interest only. Actually, there are massive protests in Bengal, and in such a situation, the entire responsibility of mainstream peace falls on the law and order, which becomes the main responsibility of the state government. Jamiat Ulema Hind is not only protesting at various places in Bengal, but has also taken to the streets, adopting a very angry stance. In such a situation, maintaining peace in Bengal is of utmost importance.